what are we looking at here, aside from an alien scratch? So this is me pressing Control 2 in Blender to subdivide some meshes and see what they look like. On the left side, we have Blender's default way of subdividing, which as you can see, can be pretty slow depending on how much geometry you have. But on the right, we have the exact same scene, the exact same mesh. However, it's subdivided in a fraction of the time. So how is this possible? And no, it has nothing to do with caching. So I'm only going to subdivide one of these so I don't have to wait too long. And we're going to add a subd modifier. And if we expand the advanced tab, you can see a setting here that says use limit surface. So this comes at a cost of performance, but the idea is that you'll get more accurate subdivisions. If you've ever subdivided anything, you'll know that surfaces tend to curve a little bit. And apparently this will give you a smoother subdivision. However, I'm going to turn this setting off and I want you to tell me if you can notice the difference. You probably didn't. If you blink, you didn't even see anything change. So the problem is that with this amount of geometry, this setting isn't really giving us much anymore. It basically becomes a toggle for give me less performance. So maybe for your needs, you always want the setting to be on, but I can tell you, me personally, I have not been happier since I discovered how to keep this setting off. So I'm doing it through scripting, as usual. If you have the Armored Toolkit installed and you're on the latest version, you should see a setting that says fast subdivision. So just turn that on. And next time when you subdivide, I'm going to turn the setting back on. Next time when you press Control 2, for example, it will automatically disable that setting for you. And if you want to go back to the old way of Blender's default subdivision, then you can just turn this off again and no harm done, right? Hopefully that helps.